So over here, you can see that I got 2 frames, and you can see that this object right here is linked up to this frame right here. And right now you can see that the interaction is set to tap. So I'm going to go around, add in an animation on push right here. So this is how it will actually come up. So if I were to press the play button now, what happens is that the push animation is applied if I were to click on it. So it is loading. So if I were to click on this, you can see that it pushes out. But besides that, there are different interaction options over here as well. So instead of tap, you can go around and say on drag right here. So if I were to go around right here and preview this out, now what happens is that on drag, it'll actually change out. So instead of clicking, nothing happens. If I were to drag this out, you can see that I can drag it out on to the right hand side just like this by using the drag interaction. Similarly, you can see that it says while hovering as well. So if I were to go around right here, let's go back. You can see that as I actually go around and then hover around, it goes over here and then it goes back, as you can see. So on hover, it actually goes around and then changes up. Similarly, you can go around right here and change out other interactions option over here as well. So I can say while pressing. So if I were to go around right here, so if I were to press and hold, you can see that it actually goes. If I were to press it, there you go. So you can see that this is what you have now. So let me just go back right here. So if I were to press and hold, then only it goes on to the next slide. So that is what the interaction options are. You can also use keypad and gamepad right here. So I'm just going to press space right here. So now if I were to go around, go back just like this, if I were to press space, it goes on to the next space now. So there are many interaction options, as you can see. So you can go around and assign whatever you like. So there's mouse enter over here as well. So if I were to go back and mouse enter, it goes right here. Similarly, there's mouse leave right here. So if I were to go back right here, if my mouse leaves right here, then it will actually go out. So it's opposite right there. There's touch down. So if I were to go around and then click and hold, touch down, then it goes and activates the interaction, or you can go for touch up over here as well, and then it's more like a touch up right there. So those are the interaction options that you can use so that the application elements just go out and work around in different ways inside of your design file. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.